60 seconds, you'll know more about gut health than 99% of the world. Let me show you. In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between probiotics and prebiotics. Let's start with the probiotics. Inside the human gut is a field of trillions of bacteria known as the microbiome. There are more than 30,000 different species of bacteria living in our gut. These bacteria, these living organisms, are probiotics. Think of the bacteria in your microbiome like this picture. There's lots of different species of different bacteria that are living together in harmony. There are some predators and some snakes and mosquitoes, but we need them too, because without them, the whole ecosystem would fall apart, right? The same probiotics or bacteria in our gut can also be found in certain types of food, like kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt. And in theory, when we eat these foods or take probiotic supplements, we can increase the number of healthy microbes living in our gut. If all the bacteria living in our gut don't have a food source, then the ecosystem of our microbiome turns from this into this. And what do these trillions of microbes have to do with your health? Everything. Damage to the gut microbiome is a condition known as dysbiosis, and this correlates with metabolic problems like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cancers, respiratory problems. There's connections to the brain, things like autism, which I was shocked to learn about. Mental health problems like anxiety and depression, cardiovascular problems, skin problems. Our immune health, our hormonal health, our overall health is influenced by a healthy or unhealthy gut. So what does it take to have a healthy ecosystem with lots of microbial diversity? It's pretty simple. You just have to feed the bacteria. And what the bacteria or probiotics eat are prebiotics. And another name for prebiotics is fiber. The different species of bacteria living in our gut need different forms of fiber. There are more than 20,000 edible plant species. Each one of them has its own set of dietary fibers. Unfortunately, only 200 or so are eaten regularly by humans. The average American, 60% of their fiber comes from rice, corn, potatoes, and wheat. This is not a diverse diet. What's even more troubling is that food makers are taking fiber out of the foods that we're eating. I've done lots of videos about the missing fiber. And it's no wonder that in this country we have a diabetes epidemic, an obesity epidemic, a mental health epidemic, all kinds of epidemics. Most people that are concerned about gut health only focus on probiotics. That's like buying a watchdog to watch over your home and keep it safe and then not giving it any food. Without any food, eventually the dog will die and the intruders will get in and take everything. The single most important thing that you can do to improve your gut health is to eat more fiber, more diversity of plants. Every time you have a meal, think diversity of plants. And if you struggle to get into your diet naturally, you should supplement. Simply increasing the quantity and diversity of fiber that you're getting through your diet or supplementation can drastically improve your health. And for most people, it doesn't take long to start feeling and seeing the changes. The diet-induced changes in the gut microbiome occur rapidly.